the ST, bro. See, it was a race. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got Clay here, we got his Nismo back, and we are patching holes. So license plate holder used to be here. It honestly looked ugly. Took it off, and of course it was bolted in. Now we have these ugly holes, and we're gonna fill them in. It's really coarse around these edges, so we're gonna use 180 to sand that down. We're also gonna use Bondo to fill in the hole, and then we're gonna sand it down with 400 and 1500. And then we also got the color match we picked up at AutoZone. How much was this thing?
15 bucks.
This thing was like 15 bucks for this little stick of paint. So yeah, so it should be enough though. It's just 2 little holes. Okay, so the next part of this process, we're gonna be filling in these holes over there. And what we're gonna be using is we're gonna use this Bondo. You pick it up at your local store like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and Walmart. So, go ahead and get our applicator, which is my favorite. I don't use too much at first. Clean off the excess. Get a concentrated amount. Over the area. Now we got the applicator, we're gonna wait for a little bit, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna sand it down, probably with 180. We're gonna sand it down again with a higher grit. After we're done sanding, go ahead and apply our primer, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint over it. So, be back. Alright, so it's been about an hour, and it's been taking a while to dry, so I used the heat gun to speed up the process. I don't think it's fully dry yet. We went ahead and we took off the tape, and we sanded it down. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the paint right now, see what it looks like. So this is just gonna be the first layer. I'm gonna put multiple layers on it. What do you think? I feel like if we sanded it down a little more, it would have looked a lot better, but this is the result so far. He's putting on the clear coat. And if you look at it from a distance, like from here, you can barely even tell. Well guys, we're gonna go for a test drive to see how the paint drives. Yeah, it smells good in here, bro. What's your setup?
Coconut.
Yeah. Alright, let's go do some donuts somewhere. How does the paint feel?
Good questions.
Dude, say hi to the vlog.
What's up? Evo Media. Like and subscribe.
Oh, dang, some dude got Polar on his bike.
That's hard. That's a Mustang.
I think that's a Mustang, yeah. Alright. Is this the Mustang we... Oh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's passing. Oh, he's playing. Slaves. There we go, there we go. He's coming. That's T. See if he wants to play along too. Oh, that's the ST, bro. See if it wants to race. Hey, dude, Applebee's 5000. Dang, what a weird night. At least we got this done, kind of. See, it looks better. You can't really tell. It's like if you look at it from a distance and just kind of blur your eyes, you can't even tell. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Open your window all the way. Oh. I'm not touching you anymore. You can stop. Well guys, thanks for watching another video. It's been a weird night, and I'm gonna clock out. So, see you guys next video.